Good morning, guys. Hey, I just wanted to show you something I got here from Lara Farms from Julian. This is a Ronnie Avocado that I got in the mail. Now, if you ever want to order in the mail from Julian, you can just go to his website and order. It's pretty simple there. You can order fruit, you can order fruit trees, and you'll get, if you order a fruit tree like me, you'll get a box like this. And I just opened it and I cut it down the side there, and there it is. Look at how nice that tree is right there. Very pretty. Very nice. This is a Ronnie Avocado that I got. Fruits like in the wintertime, January through April. So with the other varieties that I have, I'll be eating avocados pretty much year round. I've heard good things about the Ronnie. Haven't actually tasted it, but we'll see. But definitely a nice looking tree. Can't wait to put it in the ground. See, it comes taped so the dirt doesn't leave. You just cut carefully the tape around it, pull it out, and you're ready to go. Came out really nice, and can't wait for it to grow, and so I can eat some avocados here. That's one of my favorite fruits. Very healthy, and at this point I have a Catalina, I have a Lula, I have a Simmons, my favorite. I have a Choquette, I have an Oro Negro, and now I have the Ronnie. So I have a good collection. Wish I had more space. I'd get a few more, but for now, I think that'll be good enough. So just wanted to show you how the process is. Very simple to order a tree online from Julian at Lara Farms. I'll leave a link below so you can go to his website, or if you're in the area you can always stop in and get something there as well. So there you go. That's how easy it is. Alright, guys, well, hope you get your own, but this was mine. Nobody's getting this one. Alright, guys, you have a good one. Thanks for watching.